Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make my afang soup from scratch to finish. I have a number of ingredients that I'll be using in making this soup, and I'll show you guys all the ingredients, and I'll also show you through the process by which I'll be making this soup. So guys, I hope you find this video useful, and if you like it, please do well to click on the like button, and also don't leave without subscribing. Okay guys, here are our ingredients. We have our afang, we have our water leaf, and then we have our goat meat, we have our cow tail for more, we have some chopped onion, we have our dry mala fish, dry catfish, we have our stockfish, we have our blended crayfish, we have our periwinkle, we have a few garlic, and our palm oil. So guys, all the ingredients are already neatly processed, they are washed already, so we'll just get into the cooking. So guys, we first go in with our goat meat. And then we'll season it and leave it to cook for at least 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going with some seasoning cubes. Some salt. Some chili pepper, grounded chili pepper. Also going with paprika pepper and some scotch bonnet pepper. Finally, going with some onion, not too much, just a little to season the meat. So that we just cover it and then leave it to cook. In our pressure pot, we'll go in with our cow legs at the same time while our beef is cooking, and then we'll go in with some water. So guys, we just put our goat meat and our cow legs on fire, so we'll set the timer for our cow legs specifically and approximately 30 minutes. So we'll go ahead to prep other things while our cow leg is cooking. Okay guys, it's time to check our meat. So we'll be going in with some water. We still leave it to cook for about 10 minutes more. It is ready. We literally put it for about an hour. This is usually the longest thing when you're making soup like this. It usually takes time to cook, but we actually did it with the help of a pressure cooker. So it's now soft, and we'll be adding it to our goat meat. While that is cooking, we're also going with our stockfish and the rest of the cooking. From this point, our cooking is actually going to be very fast because the things that usually takes time, we've cooked them already. And we'll be going in with our stockfish. We'll add a bit of water because the water we used in cooking the meat wasn't that much, so we'll add a little water to help steam the goat meat properly. We'll also add our pomo alongside with a good stir. Add a little water, then cover it, let it cook. It's time to go in with our fish. This is usually one of the last things you put. Our periwinkle. We'll be going with a bit of crayfish. And give it a stir to mix properly. Then we'll be going in with our palm oil and then give it to cook for at least 2 minutes. We'll set our timer for 2 minutes so we'll be sure we don't overcook or undercook. Okay, it's 2 minutes, guys. Let's check. Okay. Alright, it's now time to go in with our water leaf. So guys, we'll just leave it for a minute and then come back to stir it. Alright, it's a minute. Let's see what we have. We'll be going in with the remaining half of our crayfish, our palm oil, and we'll leave this to simmer for 3 minutes. Okay guys, it's 3 minutes. It's time to go in with our afang. That's the last thing we'll be putting in the soup. We can actually save it now, but I like to cook mine, so I'll leave it to simmer on the fire for at least 2 minutes while I reduce the heat. It's 2 minutes. Our soup, afang soup, is ready.